PADB says to calculate the mean. Yes, so the mean for grouped values, this is the formula for mean, and it was taken from for group values, and it was taken from the list of formulas. There it is, the mean for frequency and interval distribution. So when your values are organized and frequency is present and you need to calculate the mean or the average, this is the formula that is used. Here it is in the list of formulas. Okay, so according to the formula, we are seeing sigma is present. It says the sum of fx divided by the sum of f. Yes, but remember we say whenever we see sigma, okay, initially you can ignore sigma and focus on what is to the right of sigma before you add. Always sum last. So please don't make sigma confuse you. If you see sigma, cover it with your form or cover it with your paper. Focus on what is to the right. Do that first and then you add. So we need to find fx. Here the table has been facilitated already. Headed fx. So fx means f by x, or first x here is 10. So the first fx would be 8 times 10 equal, that's doing it manually. You go to your calculator and you type 8 times 10, agreed, 8 times 10, enter, 80. And then you do that for the rest, manually. You find the midpoint, you multiply to the frequency, and then you find your fx's. However, doing it the Excel way, to find our x's or fx's, we just type equal here and C2, that's where our f is, times D2, okay? See it? 8 times 10, C2 times D2. Enter, 80, here's the same 80 we got, and then you just double click, and here you have all your fx's. And then the formula says to find the sum of the fx's. So now, all you do now, you go to auto sum. Yes, you go to auto sum. Well, you go below there, you go to auto sum, and then you just click enter. Here is the sum of fx. Okay, put this in bold, increase this. Okay, and the sum of f, this formula says also find the sum of f. Okay, the sum of f is the sum of the frequencies. Okay, the formula says to find the sum of the frequencies. So what you do, you simply go to frequency and you go to auto sum, enter. The sum of the frequencies is 70. Okay, you increase the, make this bold. We are calculating the mean. What you basically need, yes, you can just copy from there. Okay, or we can copy into the, you can just copy this. Okay, because right, so I don't really need this table here, so you can just highlight this table. Come on, highlight this table. Shift F10, right click, delete table, yes. Paste our working from Excel, okay. And then we would type therefore, okay, therefore, put this in black, okay. Enter, we go to insert, equations, we're calculating the mean, X with a bar on top of it, X with a bar, yes, highlight, put this in black, equal, doesn't matter if it is in red, it doesn't matter once you have the know-how to do it. The sum of fx is 2255. 2255. The sum of f is 70. 2255 divided by 70. Go to your calculator. You type 2255 divided by 70, but using the values in the assignment, it will be a different set of numbers. I get 42.21. 42.21 centimeters. Okay, using Excel. All right. Part C says to interpret your answer. So you can say therefore, or you have assistance is in week 4, page 1 online. So you can say therefore, typical, all right, height is 32.21 centimeters. Okay. If you want a different word from typical, you can use the word average. All right, you can use the word average. If you want a different word from average, you can just highlight average, go to review, go to your thesaurus, okay? And you'll get a synonym, the regular, the typical, here it is, the common, the standard, the characteristic, okay? If you click on typical, you have the characteristic, representative. All these words can be used to interpret what the mean is communicating. So here you have it, mean for interval distribution using Excel for help. Right? Calculate the mean.